Right.
Indeterminism postulates that not all action events and decisions are governed by cause and effect. Some are governed by happenstance. I have like tiny little niches, and I find like overlapping and multidisciplinary areas. Like a tiny
analysis only. I would like to reiterate or reiterate. It is centered around a self-referential and empirical.
Is a mirror reflection or projection or a manifestation of one's imagination and particular reason in particular.
But so there's like reasons that are even.
Yeah. Hallucination, delusion, psychosis, schizophrenia. You end up in an area where you...
To learn music, I had to learn music because I felt like to truly encapsulate a phenomenon as a whole.
In music, you have also sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.